Something that I find very useful in Photoshop is creating an action when you have a multi-step process. So here I'm kind of making a photo image look like a sketch through a few steps, and I'm gonna just run you through how to create that action. So in order to start, I'm gonna need a photo. And if you don't have your action window up, go down to Window and Actions and it'll pop up. And in order to create a new action, you're going to go to this plus sign at the bottom, and we're going to call it Sketch Tutorial, Record. Make sure that your record button is on. And at this point, it's going to remember everything you do. So I'm going to go through whatever process it is that I'm trying to create an action for. In this case, I'm going to rasterize the layer. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments Desaturate. I'm going to duplicate, and notice that it's recording every step. You don't want to miss any of it. So even the little things, you want to make sure it's recording. After that, for this particular process, I need to go to Invert, Color Dodge. It's remembering all of this. Okay. All right, now it's got everything down. The sketch is ready. I push stop, and we've got the process here all set. Now let's test it out with another image. I'll bring this in, and now make sure that your process or your action is selected and push play. And there you go. It's as easy as pie, and it saves you a lot of time. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you create those actions, and I'll see you in my next video.